one empty big bottle and one filled up with water the same size. And of course, the very important part for the vortex tube. And if you want some color for your water, so your tornado can have color too. You have some food coloring, and there's aqua and red. Aqua's kind of like blue, and this is dishwasher liquid.
Dishwashing.
So dishwashing, let's start. So first you need to get the vortex tube and put it here tightly. Spread it around like this.
Why?
So the water won't fall out of the bottle while you're taking your tornado. Choose my food coloring. Which one? Red will look nice, but I think I'll choose aqua. So you don't need to take this off. Oh, I got it open. Oh, it looks like blue. See? It's aqua. Now this time with the aqua color. See the difference? And this time it was clear water. Now it's food color. Later it will be this. It's so heavy.
Okay. Swirl now.
Help you put this in. Heavy like a dumbbell. Cool. Yes, it's fun. Look at the tornado, it's blue. Whoa, the tornado. Oh. This time we're going to add a few drops of dishwashing liquid. Kids, look at the tornado! Now it's going. Whoa, look, all the dishwasher soap is pulling the tornado down. Well, all that's left up here is bubbles. Let's do it one more time. Just need to cut this up again. Oh, hands are very slippery. And go.